Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Brilliant Aspirants. Please like, share and my subscribe channel. Let us learn the sequences and series continuation part that is going on. Selection of terms in arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression. Selection of terms in arithmetic progression. One by one we have to learn this. I am going to arrange this in a tabular form. Now I am going to arrange this on a tabular form. Serial number, number of terms, common difference of this arithmetic progression. Selection of terms. Now we are going to learn, that is one by one. First one is 3 terms. Number of terms 3. What are they? They are a minus d, a plus d. The common difference of these 3 terms we have to describe now by taking any 2 terms, t1 t2 or t2 t1, t2 t3 and so on. So here the first term is a minus d, second term is a, third term is a plus d. The common difference of any these 2 terms is d. Second one, number of terms for 4 terms. The 4 terms are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. The common difference of any 2 numbers is also in this 2d. And next one, number of terms 5. The 5 terms are a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. The common difference between any 2 terms is in this also d. Next one, number of terms 6. The 6 terms are a minus 5d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, next a plus 3d, next one a plus 5d. In this also the common difference of between The common difference between any two terms is 2D. These are the number of terms. 3. The terms a minus d, a plus d. The common difference is d. Number of terms 4 are given. They are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. The common difference between any two terms is 2d. And one more, the number of terms is 5. They are a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. In this also, the common difference between any two terms is d. And next one is number of terms are 6. What are they? They are a minus 5d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d, a plus 5d. The common difference between any two terms is also in this, for all these terms is 2d. So, these are the tabular form of the selection of terms in arithmetic progression. So, now whether the common difference is true or not, we have to check up once again. We have to check up whether 3 terms common difference is d, the 4 terms what are given, the common difference 2d, and for 5 terms the common difference d, for 6 terms the common difference is 2d. Now one by one we have to check now. That is going on to check. The first one, number of 3 terms. What are they? They are a minus d, a plus d. In this, the first term is a minus d, second term is a, third term is a plus d. So, the common difference between any two terms is, you know that is tn minus 1. So, here in this t1 is equal to a minus d, t2 is equal to a, t3 is equal to a plus d. So, tn minus 1, d is equal to, in place, now we have to take any two terms, that means tn minus tn minus 1. Now second term and first term we are taking, that is t2 minus t1. So in place of n substitute 2, here also in place of n substitute 2. It becomes t2 minus t1. So t2 is equal to how much? T2 is equal to a, and t1 term is a minus d, a minus d. On simplification, expanding this bracket, minus into plus minus, minus a, minus into minus plus d. So the like terms plus a and minus a, these two are cancelled. Remaining left over the term is d, that is d. This is the common difference of the 3 terms. The common difference between any two terms is d. So just we have confirmed the common difference between any these 3 terms is d. So it is also an arithmetic progression. Similarly, you can do like that t3 minus t2 also. T3 minus t2 also, you will get the common difference d. So this is the first example explanation. Next we are going to do the second one example. Second one, number of terms 4. The 4 terms are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. So in this, the first term t1 is equal to a minus 3d, and second term is equal to a minus d, and third term is equal to a plus d, and fourth term is equal to A plus 3D. The common difference of these terms is D is equal to Tn minus 1. So here we are taking second term and first term. So in place of n you have to substitute second, and in place of n minus 1, 2 minus 1. It becomes T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. So the second term is in this is A minus D. Minus of the first term is A minus 3D. This is equal to, on expanding these brackets, A minus D minus into plus minus A minus into minus plus 3D. On expanding these brackets, we have A minus D minus A plus 3D. So the like terms are plus A and minus A, both are cancelled. So minus D plus 3D, it becomes 2D, 2 minus 1. So 3D minus D is equal to 2D. So therefore the common difference of any two terms for 4 terms is 2D. That is 2D. Common difference is equal to 2D. So remaining terms also same like that. Here I am taking T2 minus T1, next T3 minus T2, next one T4 minus T3, and so on. You will get the common difference is A common difference D is equal to 2D. So this is the explanation of the second one. For the number of terms for 4. For 4 terms, the common difference is 2D is confirmed just now. Now we are going to do third one. Now next one we have to confirm the, for 5 terms common difference is the D. The 5 terms are A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Here the first term is A minus 2D, second term is equal to A minus 2D, A minus D, and third term is equal to A, fourth term is equal to A plus D, fifth term is equal to A plus 2D. So in this also we have to find the common difference, whether the common difference for 5 terms is D or not. We have to confirm now. That is going on now. Any 2 terms you have to take by using the common difference formula Tn minus 1. So here now I am taking, in this 5 terms are there. So 5 terms are there. When you substitute here in place of n 5, T5 n minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. So it becomes T5 minus T4. So you have to substitute here term 5. Term 5 is equal to how much? A plus 2D. Minus of term 4 is equal to A plus D. On expanding these two brackets, A plus 2D minus into plus minus A minus into plus minus D. This is equal to, the like terms are plus A and minus A, both are cancelled. So in this plus 2D minus D are left over here. We have to subtract D from 2D. It becomes D. Plus 2D minus D is equal to D. So the common difference of for 5 terms is equal to D. So the D is confirmed here for 5 terms. You have to take similarly T4 minus T3, T2 minus T3, T2 minus T1 terms also. You will get the common difference is D. So this is the third one, explanation of the common difference, whether it is true or not. So it has been confirmed. The common difference is D. Just now confirmed. Next. Next one, number of terms 6. A minus 5d, A minus 3d, A minus d, A plus d, A plus 3d, A plus 5d. We have to confirm the common difference whether it is 2d or not. That is going on now. Listen to me. A minus 5d, A minus 3d, A minus d, A plus d, A plus 3d, A plus 5d. These are the 6 terms. Now we have to confirm the common difference whether it is 2d or not. So that is going on now. The common difference Tn minus 1. Here the first term is equal to A minus 5d. Second term is equal to A minus 3d. Third term is equal to A minus d. Fourth term is equal to A plus d. Fifth term is equal to A plus 3d. And sixth term is equal to A plus 5d. Among these terms, you have to take any two terms. The difference, those terms common difference is 2d. We have to confirm now. That is going on. So here also the common difference is equal to, here when n is equal to 4, when n is equal to 4, or when n is equal to 6, or when n is equal to 2, when n is equal to, so when n is equal to, I am substituting here t2 minus tn minus 1, it becomes t2 to t2 minus 1, t1. So second term of in this, second term is how much? Second term is A minus 3d. A minus 3d. Minus of first term is equal to A minus 5d. A minus 5d. Now we have to expand these brackets. A minus 3d minus into plus minus A minus into minus plus 5d. On expanding the brackets, A minus 3d minus A plus 5d, just we got. So like terms are plus A minus A, both are cancelled. The leftover terms are minus 3d plus 5d. You have to substitute 5d, you have to subtract 3d from 5d, that is 5 minus 3d, that becomes 2d. So therefore the common difference is 2d. Like this, you have to take any two terms, you will get the common difference is 2d. Like this 2d you will get. Take the difference between any these two terms, you will get compulsory 2d. So now last one, this is for 6 terms, that means here fourth one, this is just we have confirmed. Therefore common difference of 6 terms of an arithmetic progression is equal to 2d. Let us learn problems. The first one problem goes, find the three numbers in arithmetic progression whose sum is 21 and product is 315. This is the problem. Find the three numbers in arithmetic progression whose sum is 21 and product is 315. Here we are given sum 21 and product 315. So just learn to the tabular form, 3 terms, 4 terms and 5 terms and 6 terms. Just we have learnt by using 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms and so on terms. We are going to do the problems one by one. That is going on. Now we have to do this problem first of all. Let the three numbers of arithmetic progression be a minus d, a plus d. According to the problem, its sum is given. Its sum is 21. Its sum is 21. Given that its sum of three terms is equal to 21. That is, those terms are a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 21. And plus, on expanding these brackets, a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 21. In this, the like terms are minus d plus d. Both are cancelled here. And left over the terms are a plus a plus a. Sum of these three terms, these three a's are 3a, becomes 3a. 3a is equal to 21. On both sides, by cancelling 21 by 3, 3 ones are 3 sevens are. M plus a is equal to 7. Therefore, a is equal to 7. By using the sum of the three terms, just we have got a is equal to 7. First term a. Now one more is also given in this problem, that is its product is 315. Its product is 315. So its product is 315. that is a minus d into a plus d is equal to 315. Here on careful observation, a minus d, a plus d, it seems to be a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Since we know that a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. By using this, here a minus d into a plus d becomes a square minus d square, a square minus d square into a is equal to 315. So here on careful observation, already we got the value of a is equal to 7. Now substitute the value of a in this. A square means 7 square minus d square into a is equal to 7 is equal to 315. So 315 is divisible by 7. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 45 ja 7 1 ja 7, 7 45 ja 315, 7 45 ja 315, 7 4 ja 28, remaining left over 35, that means 35 means 7 5 ja 35. So m plus 7 7 ja 49 minus d square is equal to 45. Now d square is equal to, on transposing minus d square to the right side it becomes plus d square. Now on transposing 45 to the left side it becomes minus 45. 49 minus 45. M plus d square is equal to 4. 49 minus 45 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to, it can be written as like this, 2 square. So d is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 square. Therefore d is equal to plus or minus 2. D is equal to plus or minus 2. The common difference is d is equal to plus or minus 2. Now a is equal to 7, d is equal to plus or minus 2. Now here d value is plus 2 and minus 2 just we got. So we can apply d value plus 2 and minus 2 to get the required terms also. It will come in two cases, that is going on. In first case, when d is equal to plus 2 and a is equal to 7, the terms are a minus d is equal to a is equal to 7 minus d is equal to 2 is equal to 5. And one more term is a plus d. A plus d is equal to a is equal to 7 plus d is equal to 2 becomes 9. And already we have the a value. So here the numbers are 5, 7, 9. Similarly, we have to take the d is equal to minus 2. A is equal to 7 and d is equal to minus 2. A minus d is equal to A is equal to 7 minus of d is equal to minus 2. It becomes minus to minus plus 7 plus 2 9 and A plus d is equal to 7 minus of 7 plus of minus 2. So plus into minus minus 7 minus 2 becomes 5. In this case also the numbers are 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9. So therefore the required three numbers are 5, 7 and 9. This is the required three numbers. Four numbers are in arithmetic progression. In the sum of the first three is 21 and the sum of the last three is 30. Find the numbers. We have to find the numbers. We are given first three is sum of the first three numbers is 21 and the sum of the last three numbers is 30. By using this we have to find those four numbers. That is going on now. Let the four numbers an arithmetic progression be a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. These are the four numbers of an arithmetic progression. They are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. In this we are given sum of the first three terms is 21 and the sum of the last three terms is 30. Now we have to find the numbers. What are they included in this, the four numbers that is going on. That is given that it's given that first three numbers sum is 21. That is first three numbers are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d. A minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d. is equal to 21. On expanding these brackets, it becomes a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 21. In this, the like terms are minus d and plus d, both are cancelled. Remaining minus 3d is left over here. And a plus a plus a, 3a, it becomes 3a. 3a minus 3d is equal to 21. Now, 3 is the common for these two factors. These 3 of a minus d is equal to 21. M plus 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. A minus d is equal to 7. Therefore, a minus d is equal to 7. This is the first one. And its sum of the last 3 terms is 30. Therefore, a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d, these are the last 3 terms, is equal to given, that is given 30. On expanding these 3 brackets, we have a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d is equal to 30. In this, the like terms are minus d and plus d. Minus d plus d, both are cancelled. Remaining leftover terms are numbers a plus a plus a becomes 3a. And 3d is left over here. A 3a plus 3d is equal to 30. In these two, 3 is the common factor. 3 of a plus d is equal to 30. 3 1s are 3, 1, 3 1s are 1, 3 10s are 30. So, therefore, a plus d is equal to 10. This is the indicates second one. By solving one and two, we have a minus d is equal to 7 and a plus d is equal to 10. Minus d plus d, both are cancelled in this. A plus a, 2a. 2a is equal to 7 plus 10, 17. Therefore, a is equal to 17 by 2. Now, substitute a value in first equation. Substitute a is equal to 17 by 2 in 1 we get A minus D is equal to 7. A value is here, I am substituting 17 by 2. Minus D is equal to 7. Implies on transposing minus D to the right side and on transposing plus 7 to left side, it becomes D is equal to 17 by 2 minus 7. This becomes 17 minus LCM is 2 here. 2 7s are 14. 17 minus 2 7s are 14 by 2. This is equal to 17 minus 14 becomes 3. 3 by 2. Therefore, D is equal to 3 by 2. Now we got A is equal to 17 by 2 and D is equal to 3 by 2. Required numbers are A minus 3D is equal to, we got the A value, substitute here A value, that is 17 by 2 minus, we got the D value also, that is 3 by 2. 3 of 3 by 2. The LCM is 2 here, so it becomes 3 3s are 9. 17 minus 9 by 2 is equal to 17 minus 9 becomes 8. 8 by 2. 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is equal to 4. A minus 3D is equal to 4. Similarly, this is the A minus 3D. Similarly, we find the A minus D. A is equal to 17 by 2 and B is equal to 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. The LCM of these two is 2 only. So 17 minus 3 is equal to 14. 17 minus 3 becomes 14 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 7s are 2 1s are 2 is equal to 7. A minus D is equal to 7. Similarly, A plus D is equal to 17 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 17 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 20 by 2. 2 1s are 2 10s are is equal to 10. And lastly, A plus 3D is the fourth term. A plus 3D. A plus 3D is equal to 17 by 2 plus 3 of 3 by 2. The LCM of these two is 2. So 17 plus 3 3s are 9. This is equal to 17 plus 9 becomes 26. 26 by 2. 2 1s are 1, 2 13s are is equal to 13. So here A plus 3D is equal to 13. So those numbers are A minus 3D is equal to 4, A minus D is equal to 7, A plus D is equal to 10, A plus 3D is equal to 13. Therefore, The numbers are 4, 7, 10 and 13. These are the required numbers. These are the required numbers. 4, 7, 10 and 13. These are the required numbers. This is the required answer.